You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need one massive degree before you can become a content strategist. Here is how to become a content strategist in 30 days. Permit me, I'm going to be looking at my laptop a lot because I have a lot of things I want to talk about in this video. So permit me to look at my laptop once in a while. If you have ever wondered what a content strategy is or what a content strategist does, this is exactly what a content strategy does. So, a content strategist is involved in the planning and execution of content strategy for a brand or business. This is what you are going to do exactly. You will define content pillars and voice. You will plan long term and evergreen content. You will coordinate teams, that's the writers, designers, and everyone in the content creation team. You will do SEO research, that's search engine optimization. You do the research. You will propose content. I mean, I'm going to explain later. Anyways, let me just say this in case I don't explain later. Repurpose content means that the content that you posted before that is doing well, you're going to repost it in the future and to other channels so that it can boost the engagement. Okay, so and you're going to create and set up content calendars. So you can set up content calendars up to 30 days, 60 days, even a year. Some companies set up their calendar for a whole year and you are going to be the one in charge. That is exactly what a content strategist does. If you want to become a content strategist in less than 30 days, this is what you should do. Now I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on how you too can become a content strategist in 30 days. Number one, you start by learning this skill, this content strategy skill, and then you are going to create your buyer personnel. Now, before you even start to look for clients that you are going to serve as a content strategist, you need to learn this skill. Where can you learn? You can learn from Coursera. It's a platform you can learn from, and you can learn from HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy. It is free, by the way. Coursera too, I think it is free, and if it's not free, you can apply for the financial aid, the scholarship. Maybe I'm going to put the script I write for my own um financial aid in the description below. I don't know yet, so but check Coursera, check HubSpot Academy. You are going to find them. For HubSpot Academy, it's totally free, so go and learn it. So next is when you are done learning. By the way, this should not take you more than 1 month or 2 months max, depending on your schedule and how much time you give to it. So when you are done learning, you want to sell your service, you want to find clients. So next, you find your target audience, and by doing this, you first of all create your buyer persona. What's rather, who are the people that are going to buy this your service? Who are your ideal client? That's your buyer persona. Don't worry, when you enroll into this course, you are going to know exactly what I'm saying. So, what is their name? When you're creating your buyer persona, you want to give your buyer persona a name. Say Oluwatosin. Say Christiana. So you can have more than one buyer persona. By the way, you can have several buyer persona for the same brand. So let's say for you as a content strategist, your buyer persona number one will be brands and personal brands or business brands that want to improve their content, that want to stay consistent, and depending on their business goals, you shall know that your audience is a brand first of all. Your second buyer persona are the people that want to become a content strategist. You see what I'm doing right now, telling you how to become a content strategist. Yes, you can also look for people that are interested in becoming a content strategist so that you can put them through. That might be your buyer persona too. Right. So what is their name? What is their age bracket? What is the nature of their job? What is their income bracket? What platform do they use? What makes them happy? What makes them sad? What motivates them? The next you are going to do after you know their buyer personnel is you are going to position yourself as somebody that can help them achieve these results. Results for different creators mean different things. For some people, they want to get more brand deals. For some people, they want to get more clients that will buy their courses, their programs. For some people, they just want to have an online presence. They don't want anything. They just want engagement and having an online presence, right? Because they have so many things they're doing behind the scenes, they don't have time to post. So their goal mean different things. Start positioning yourself as somebody that can help them achieve this goal. Start creating about content strategy on social media platforms. Your LinkedIn, you have to stay updated. You have to tell them, you have to position yourself as an authority, somebody that can help them achieve this. You know, you have the knowledge already. How do you want to help them? So you have to create content about it so that they can be informed that there's somebody that knows about content strategy, and it is you. Everything you learn in the course, you are going to put into practice and even improve your own online presence. So after 30 days, when you've created your calendar and you follow through, you make a recap, you make an analysis of what you of the progress of your social platforms, and then you make a recap and make it into a portfolio and add it to your bio, add it to your resume. You see, you have to practice what you preach before you can even help another person. So you can put this in your bio and share it to your potential client. Your aim would be maybe working with 2 to 3 clients per month. So by the end of 30, 60 days of posting, you'll be able to get 1 or 2 clients that you start working for or you start working with. Again, when you get them results, you summarize the results you've gotten for them and you put it in your portfolio. That is how you start building and start building and start building. Let's make a recap. What exactly are the steps to become a content creator? Oh, sorry. What exactly are the steps to become a content strategist and get 2 to 3 clients in a month? Number one, learn the skill. Number two, create your buyer personnel. Who are your ideal clients? Number three, create a social media portfolio. Your social media presence will be your CV. Create it, do a recap, add to your portfolio, rinse and repeat. Number four, reach out to potential clients. Don't wait for them to reach out to you. If nobody's reaching out to you, go and you know your buyer personnel already. So reach out to the people that needs your service and see if they are willing to pay you for it. If you watch to this point, that means you really like this video and you gain 1 or 2 things. Don't forget to share to someone, like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. You can watch this video next. See ya.